Are you looking for the top 5 best fuel injector cleaners for motorcycles? How much should you actually spend on a fuel injector cleaner for your motorcycle? Because people are happy buying the cheap ones, but returning the expensive ones. It's a bit interesting.
Product number 1, Stabil Fast Fix. First up, we have the Stabil Fast Fix. This little 8-ounce bottle is priced at just $9.49, which caught my attention right away as a budget-friendly option. If you want to tackle rough-running engines and keep your small engine equipment working smoothly, this is worth a serious look. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The Stabil Fast Fix is designed to break down gum and varnish that can cause all sorts of issues like sputtering and hard starts. It cleans carburetors and fuel injectors without needing disassembly, which is a huge time saver. Plus, it treats up to 20 gallons of fuel, making it a practical choice for those who own multiple machines. Now, some people complained about the product not working as effectively in larger engines. Here's the thing though, if you primarily use it for small engines like lawnmowers, this shouldn't be a deal breaker. This is perfect for you if you own small engines like trimmers or snowblowers. Skip this one if you're looking for something specifically for larger motorcycle engines. For the price, you really can't go wrong here.
Product number 2, Royal Purple 18,000. Next, we have the Royal Purple 18,000 Fuel Injector Cleaner. At $6.48, it's an affordable option from a reputable brand. If you want to restore fuel economy and maximize horsepower, this is worth a serious look. This cleaner is designed to stabilize ethanol, which is crucial since many riders use ethanol-blended fuel that can cause problems over time. This product claims to improve engine responsiveness, which means you'll likely feel a difference when you twist the throttle. With over 3,000 units sold recently, it's clear that many users are finding value in this. Now, some users have noted that it might not be as effective as other premium cleaners, but honestly, if your bike is running decently already, you might find this cleaner does just fine for maintenance. This is perfect for you if you're someone who rides regularly and wants to keep your fuel system in check without breaking the bank. Skip this if your engine is experiencing major performance issues. Product number 3, Universal Fuel Injector Tester and Cleaner Toolkit. Coming up next is the Universal Fuel Injector Tester and Cleaner Toolkit, priced at $26.89. It's a bit of an investment, but if you're serious about maintaining your motorcycle, this is worth a serious look. This kit includes 8 pulse modes and 4 wired dual channels for cleaning 2 fuel injectors at once. This means you can really dig deep into some serious cleaning without spending a fortune at a shop. With 1,000 plus sales this month, it's clearly resonating with DIYers looking to save on maintenance costs. However, some users found the setup process a bit complicated. Here's the thing though, once you get the hang of it, you're going to appreciate how much money you save by doing this yourself. This is perfect for you if you enjoy hands-on maintenance and want to ensure your bike runs efficiently for years to come. Skip this if you prefer straightforward, ready-to-use cleaners. Given the long-term savings, it could be worth every penny. Now, if that
Product number 4, Liqui Moly Valve Clean. Next up, let's talk about the Liqui Moly Valve Clean. At $10.73 for a 150 milliliter bottle, it's a mid-range option that caught my eye. If you're looking for better engine performance and lower fuel consumption, this is worth a serious look. This product not only cleans your fuel system, but also protects against corrosion and reduces pollutant emissions. That's key for anyone who wants their motorcycle to run cleaner and last longer. With over 800 sales recently, it seems to be well received by the community. However, there were some complaints about the scent being too strong for some users. I'll be real with you, if you're sensitive to smells, this could be a minor annoyance, but the performance benefits might outweigh it. This is perfect for you if you care about your bike's long-term health and want a cleaner that acts as a preventative measure. Skip this if you're looking for a quick fix instead. Considering its benefits, it's a decent value. Now, if you want something even more straightforward, our final product is
Product number 5, Stabil Fast Fix Small Engine Treatment. Finally, we have the Stabil Fast Fix Small Engine Treatment, which is a 4-ounce bottle priced at $8.99. If you want to treat up to 10 gallons and restore rough-running engines, this is worth a serious look. This treatment is designed specifically for small engines, making it a versatile option for various equipment. It cleans carburetors and fuel injectors, which can help you avoid costly repairs down the line. With 600 plus sales, it's another popular choice among users. Some users found it less effective on larger motorcycles. However, if you primarily use it for smaller engines, you're likely going to appreciate its effectiveness. This is perfect for you if you maintain several small engines and want to keep them running smoothly. Skip this if you're only focused on larger motorcycle engines. For the price, it delivers solid performance. To wrap it up, while each of these products has its strengths, the Stabil options cater more to small engine users, while Royal Purple and Liqui Moly focus on broader motorcycle needs. The Universal Kit is great for DIY enthusiasts.
So, to compare all five, the Stabil Fast Fix is an excellent budget choice for small engines. Royal Purple balances cost and performance, while the Universal Fuel Injector Toolkit is perfect for DIY lovers. Liqui Moly offers great preventative maintenance, and the Stabil Small Engine Treatment is ideal for those with multiple small engines. Pick based on your needs, and your motorcycle will thank you.